Times are changing. Home needs are changing. And the only constant is change itself. Home defines the texture of space. And Henglin Home Furnishing was born to shape the future of the home. Since 1998, more than 20 years of plowing, the achievements of Henglin generation of Zhejiang businessman's magnificent butterfly. Facing the call of the times of made in China, writing a distinctive design language. With new aesthetic power, opening up a new future of comfortable home. Henglin actively integrates global resources, focusing on talents at home and abroad to create a high-level think tank. Starting from each component, realizing full self-control and self-production, focusing on details, paying attention to every touch and turn of consumers. Beginning with each household artifact, let the expression of beauty, through products, into life. Spreading the global spectrum, starting with each sales outlet. Let the professional aesthetic design go to the real space. Together with the world, we will continue to interpret the in vogue of the times. Henglin Furnishing as the main brand, based on the domestic market, expanding the global territory, developing multi-category home furnishings in multiple dimensions. Covering the production process, injection molding production line, metal fittings production line, sponge production line, with overseas factories in Switzerland, Vietnam, etc., with North American overseas warehouses, covering furniture parts, office furniture, whole house decoration and other product lines. With great depth and breadth of industry thinking. Explore the new trajectory of the development of home comfort. Henglin Home Furnishing, the first to start home production intelligent manufacturing, through management informatization, tracking the process in real time, through 5G, IoT technology, and cloud computing applications, building a smart manufacturing industrial system that is integrated, shared, and collaborative. Through the mechanized logistics system, construct the IoT system to improve the intelligent operation of warehousing. With a higher quality and higher productivity of the whole chain of intelligent manufacturing system, empowering the flourishing development of green home and smart home. Lead the new trend of intelligent transformation in the home furnishing industry. Henglin Home Furnishing, based on more than 20 years of experience in the manufacture of healthy sitting furniture. Continuously investigate the ergonomic product dimensions and constantly interpret the quality needs of each space. Scientific layout of healthy seating, plus office environment solutions, plus customized home development line. The implementation of the big home strategy closely followed the pulse of the industry era of development. With the world's leading home manufacturing concept, establish an international vision of brand development. Henglin Home Furnishing. Strive to create a healthy and comfortable life for public.